Hello YouTube. Today I wanted to do a review on this Frigidaire. It's a dehumidifier. It's a 30-pint dehumidifier. It is running right now on the low setting. Very impressed with the performance of this dehumidifier. I think when I first plugged it in about a 10-hour time frame, I filled up the collection tray right here. This just pulls the slides out, which I'll show you here in a second. It's got a good grounded three-prong plug on it. You can set the humidity settings here, up, increase, decrease, low, medium, high fan. I have it running on the low setting right now, and it really puts out blows a lot of air. And this is the intake here. This has a filter that you can clean. It's got rolling caster wheels, so you can wheel it around. I'm not quite sure what the amp draw is on it. It says rated current 3.4 amps. This is a 30-pint. They do sell them in larger sizes, but it's done a really good job of sucking out the moisture in the fifth wheel, especially on the areas where along the slides, perimeter of the slide out, and of course on the windows. It does a really good job of taking out all the moisture. But it has this neat little handle, and then you just simply pour it out. So I'm going to turn it up to medium. That's high. Notice the difference in sound, and it really blows it out. Medium. It has an auto shut off, so when the bucket is full, and it also tells you when to clean the filter on the back side. All in all, I'm very impressed with this. For a long time I was using a smaller one, and it was definitely not as effective as this 30-pint. In an RV such as a fifth wheel, this is the size that I would recommend, a 30-pint. I have a 32-foot fifth wheel, and so it's pulling air, you know, from all throughout the coach. I do kind of prop the cabinet doors open a little bit, and that helps ventilate, pull air through the cabinets. So in the Pacific Northwest climate that I'm in right now, I definitely wouldn't want to be without this. So this is definitely what makes me able to do what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I definitely give this a thumbs up. I'll have a link in the description below. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time. Take care. I also wanted to mention that I purchased this at Walmart, and I did the free pickup section. Walmart has a free pickup where you can order items online and have them delivered to a store. Not all stores do this, but this is just another convenient way. If you're an RVer and you're on the road and you don't have a physical address to deliver to, a lot of times you can have things shipped right directly to the store. And the best part about that is if you don't like the item, or you're not satisfied with it, you can easily return it. So just wanted to throw that out there for you guys. I'll also post a link to the Walmart. Thanks for watching, everybody.